Hey guys, dirt biking season's already almost here. Still got a little bit of a click on that, see? On the throttle cable. So I'm gonna replace this. So anyhow, take your gas tank off and then trace your line back, right? So there we go, that's the one, right? Easier. And then this is a 93 KDX200. You just pop that off right there. That's where you're gonna get to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this right off here, right? So just pull back your cover there, and then there's a couple little screws there on this bike here. Just get yourself an Allen key to pull it off. Okay, so if you loosen those screws like I was saying there, that's going to kind of let you kind of get it off. But you see right, follow it back here, and you're going to have to unscrew this first. Probably gonna have to take off this top assembly here so then you can kind of get at it a little bit better. Okay, like I was saying, I'm shooting this after now because I already got it back together. I kind of had a little technical malfunction there. So you just pull that back and like take off these, take that apart, lube the shit out of it is what I did, and then take this, and you're not gonna be able to fit it all through. So take it apart. That's why you're gonna really have to do other than lube it, and then follow it down, take it back through, right? Okay, push it through here. I got everything back together here now, but it's easier. You gotta take the gas tank off, follow it back through here, and then there'll be like a spring, so you gotta take it off, cover that up, or take it off or cover it, and then you spray the line down with WD-40 here, and then let it go for about, about an hour or so. Make sure all the fluids, run through and everything's all good. And then put her back together like you took it apart, man. Right on. Okay, now I'm going to show you a little footage here. Just show you. We went for a rip after this. Okay, but look at it. Look, you saw that big kink before. Well, hey, man. Done. Boom. Right in time, man. Yeah, right on. And just to let you know, man, we were just kind of coming back from the ride here. We had a pretty decent ride. So, yeah, man. Okay, cool. You guys be awesome. And you guys enjoy the summer, man. Right on.
Here comes old Ben. Gonna go up this hill here. Fucking 2 strokes, man. Just purrs like a kitty. Here he comes again. Hope I don't get fucking run over here. Booyah!
Oh yeah, April long, people. April long. Oh, ripping it out. Got the dirt bikes going. Ew, yeah. Woo! Big RMZ 450. Oh yeah! Big Jeremy. Oh yeah! Catching some air. Woo wee! Oh yeah, man! Beautiful day. Okay.